1. What's her surname?
Anderson.
2. What's her first name?
Keisha.
3. Where's she from?
London, England.
4. What's her job?
She's a journalist.
5. What's her address?
42 Muswell Hill Road, London, N10 3JD.
6. What's her phone number?
020 8863 5741.
7. How old is she?
28.
8. Is she married?
No, she isn't.
Is she American?
No, she isn't.
Is she French?
No, she isn't.
Is she English?
Yes, she is.
This is a photo of Patrick, his wife, and his children. His wife's name is Brenda. She's a teacher. His daughter's name is Lara. She's 21 and she's a nurse. His son's name is Benny. He's 19 and he's a student. Lara's boyfriend is a nurse too. His name is Mick.
1.
He's old.
She's young.
2.
It's easy.
It's difficult.
3.
It's new.
It's old.
4.
It's fast.
It's slow.
5.
It's lovely.
It's horrible.
6.
They're hot.
They're cold.
7.
They're cheap.
They're expensive.
8.
It's small.
It's big.
Dear Miguel, how are you? I'm fine. Here's a letter in English. It's good practice for you and me. I have classes in English at La Guardia Community College. I'm in a class with 8 students. They're all from different countries: Japan, Brazil, Switzerland, Poland, and Italy. Our teacher's name is Isabel. She's very nice and a very good teacher. I live in an apartment with 2 American girls, Annie and Marnie Cass. They are sisters. Annie's 20 years old and a dancer. Marnie's 18 and a student. They're very friendly, but it isn't easy to understand them. They speak very fast. New York is very big, very exciting, but very expensive. The subway isn't difficult to use, and it's cheap. It's very cold now, but Central Park is lovely in the snow. I'm very happy here. Write to me soon. Love, Dorita.
1.
Hello, my name's Dorita.
Hello, Dorita. I'm Orlando.
Where are you from, Orlando?
I'm from Italy, from Rome. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
From Buenos Aires?
Yes, that's right.
2.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Isabel.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay.
How are you, Dorita?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Very well. Now, listen, everybody, because I want to tell you...
3.
Bye, Dorita. Have a nice day.
Pardon?
Have a good day at the School of English.
Ah, yes. Thank you. Same to you.
What's your teacher called?
My teacher called?
Your teacher's name. What is it?
Ah, yes. Her name's Isabel.
And is she good?
My teacher, good?
Yeah. Isabel, your teacher. Is she a good teacher?
Oh, yes, yes. Very good, very nice.
£1, £5, 50p, £7.50, £10.75.
1,
That's £5.50, please.
2,
Look, it's only £12.
3,
Here you are. 20p change.
4,
Pizza is £3.75.
5,
£100 for that is very expensive.
6,
£9.15, not £9.50.
How much is a hamburger and chips?
£3.50.
How much is a hamburger and chips and an orange juice?
£4.40.
1.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I have an orange juice, please?
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thanks.
90p, please.
Thanks.
Thank you.
2,
Hi, can I help?
Yes, can I have a tuna and egg salad, please?
Anything to drink?
Yeah, a mineral water, please.
Okay. Here you are.
How much is that?
£4.95, please.
Thanks.